Okay, Ethan, it says a small fish tank measures 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. What is the volume of the water? So we're not doing the volume of the whole thing. We're just doing the volume of the water if the fish tank is filled to the height of 9 centimeters. So what I did is I wrote out the volume. 15 times 10 times 9. The reason we are doing 9 instead of 10 is because it says it's filled to a height of 9 centimeters and we're trying to just find the water that's in the fish tank. So let's stop the video and multiply this. Okay, so if you multiply that, you get 1,350 centimeters, cubic centimeters. But the problem says to write your answer in milliliters. And remember that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. So how would you write that as milliliters? Okay, so that would be 1,350 milliliters. Okay, so the second question, it says if the water evaporates and the height is now 8 centimeters, what's the volume of the water in the tank? So we just do the same thing. We have 15 times 10, and now we don't have 9 centimeters height of water. Now we have 8 centimeters height of water. So that's how you would calculate the part A. Does that make sense now? Okay, hope it does. Have your mom line me. If not, I am going to church, but I should be back in a couple of hours so I could have something ready for you by Monday evening, your time. Okay, praying for you. You've got this, Ethan. You'll do great. Bye.